Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss a topic that we call chain rule. This chain rule topic we are going to discuss today, this one. So to understand what is the chain rule, what we need to understand, let's say some function fx is there, fx is equal to sine x is there. Clear? And you need to find the derivative of sine x. So the derivative of sine x is cosine x. Clear? It is very easy. Like say, if you are say fx is equal to, I am giving you some function x power 3 plus say ln x plus say cosine x. So what is the derivative of this function? So the derivative of this function is very easy. X power 3 will be 3x power 2. Ln x will be 1 upon x, and cosine x will be, it will not be plus, it will be nacus cosine x. This is how you can calculate the derivative. It is very, very simple. Clear? But if say I add some complex function here, say for example, the simplest function is sine power 2x. So here power 2 is here. If I say fx is equal to x power 3 plus 4x minus 5, if I raise power say 10 here, what is the derivative? Clear? Because here you can see is x power 3. So directly we were putting the power here and x power 2. But here it is not written x. Same in sin x, it is sin x power 2. I'm writing sin x power 2. So sin x power 2 means here power 2 is there, but here it is not x. Here it is sin x. Clear? Same here power 10. So is another function coming here, not x coming. If I take another function, say fx is equal to say sin x plus cosine x, and let's say power, take anything power, minus 2 power if you are taking. So if we are taking like this, then how can we calculate? Because here power is okay, but here it is not x. Here it is some different function. So if we find any function like this, then my dear friends, we are using the chain rule. So what is the chain rule? Basically chain rule, if you want to understand chain rule, so what you need to do? Let us say you studied in pure mathematics the composition function, f composition g is equal to f of gx. Clear? So what we are doing here, if we want to find the derivative, if we want to find the derivative of f composition g, so my friends, how you need to calculate? So first, because this is the outer function f, so first we will calculate the derivative of f, and gx will remain same. Clear? Then we will write the derivative of gx here, whatever is the inside, the derivative of that. So it is same f derivative of gx, and then you need to write the derivative of gx also. It is g prime x. Clear? So this is how we are going to use chain rule. So if you look at the chain rule, there are two type of questions, my friends, we are going to study. What is the two type of function chain rule? So like say if I'm talking about chain rule, so y is equal to, let's say u power 3 is there, and u is equal to some function is there, say sin x, simple function is there. So you can see y is a function of u and u is a function of x. And what we need to do, we need to find the derivative of y with respect to x. That means you need to remove this u from middle. So how to do it? So the kanun for this is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Okay. So now you need to calculate the derivative of y with respect to u. So what is the function given here? Y is equal to u power 3 is there. So if you will calculate the derivative y with respect to u, then what will happen? Then it will be 3u power 3 minus 1. That is 3u power 2. Okay. So this is the derivative of y with respect to u. And same function is second, y u is equal to sine of x. So if u is equal to sine of x, what will be the answer? Du by dx. And what is the derivative of sine x? It is cosine x. So this is. Now put the values here. So what will be dy by du? It is 3u power 2 into du upon dx, it is cosine x. But my friends, there is some problem, because in this question, if you will see, we are calculating derivative of y with respect to x. We are not calculating derivative of y with respect to u or something, with respect to x. So here you need to remove this u. So what is the value of u? Value of u is sine x. So my friends, put the value of sine x, u value here, it is sine x power 2 and cosine x. So this is how you can calculate the derivative of this function. Clear? So this is a very simple type of function. And if you will go to the question problem number 1 here, just give me a second. So if you will go to these problems here, all these problems are what? You can see here, what? Y is equal to sine u and u is equal to minus 5x upon 8. So this is y is a function of u and u is a function of x. So problem number 1, same kanun, what? dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This kanun you need to use, and simple, very easy. Directly you can calculate the derivative of all these 4 functions. This is one type of problem. One type of problem means where y is a function of u is given and u is a function of x is given. But what will happen if we are given the third type, means the second type of problem? Second type of problem means, if say, for example, if I talk about the kanun for the chain rule, then you can see here, this is the kanun number 1, y is equal to gx power n. So look here, power n is here, but inside the function is not there. What is inside? Inside is gx. So what we are going to do here? First, we are going to derivative the power n. So you can see here n and gx power n minus 1. Because here it is not x, it is not x here. What is written here? Gx. So you need to find the derivative of gx separately. That I will explain you with some example. Like say, question is there, y is equal to let's say x square plus 1 power 3. This is the question. So how will you find the derivative of y with respect to x? So dy by dx is equal to, what is this? D by dx, same function, x square plus 1 power 3. Now, first you need to focus on the power. First you need to focus on the power. So what will be the derivative? 3 x square plus 1 power 3 minus 1. So first we finish the derivative of power. Now what you need to do? You need to differentiate the inside function, that is x square plus 1. So what is the answer? 3 x square plus 1 power 3 minus 1 is 2. And what is the derivative of this function? The derivative of this function, x power 2. What is the derivative? 2x. Because the derivative of 1 is 0, so plus 0 if you want. Otherwise 3 into 2 is 6 x square plus 1 power 2. So this is the derivative of this function, my friend. So this is how you need to calculate, because if there is a function x power 3, directly you can calculate 3x power 2. But if some function is written here, x square gamma x power 3. So my dear friends, first you need to calculate the derivative of power, and then you need to calculate the derivative of this function. This is called composition of functions. If we have function and another function inside, function of function. So if we have function of function type of concept, then my dear friends, you need to use chain rule. Clear? Same you can see in the rule here, sine, it is not x here, it is gx, function of x is written here. So in this question, what we'll do? First, we will differentiate the sine term. So it will be cosine gx. You can see here. What is the derivative of sine? It is cosine gx. Then you need to find the derivative of gx also. That is g prime x. Clear? Similarly, you can write for other trigonometric relations. Same here. E power gx. E power gx is, gx means function of x. Okay. So what is the derivative of e power gx? It is e power gx exponential function is derivative is same. Then you need to write the derivative of gx. Same is in the case of logarithm. Clear? So this is how we are evaluating all these type of function. Now I'll explain you some questions here. First, I will take a simple question: y is equal to sine square x. Clear? So this sine square x can be written as sine x power 2. So how will we calculate derivative? We'll calculate derivative by, first you need to focus on this power. So it will be 2 sine x power 2 minus 1. So this is the derivative of power. Now what you need to do? You need to find the derivative of sine x. Clear? So 2 sine 2 minus 1 is same sine x. And what is the derivative of sine x? It is cosine x. And if you want to write 2 sine x cosine x is the answer. Otherwise, this is equal to sine 2x. So this is how you can write the derivative of sine x power 2. Another question you can take is like say question number 2 is we are taking y is equal to, let's say, e power, let's say, x square gamma 3. This is the question. If this is the question, so what will you do? Here, first is, this is the power of e. So what we studied in previous chapter, the derivative of e power x is e power x. So we know the derivative of exponential function is same. So same concept we will use here, dy by dx. So first we will find the derivative of this. What is the derivative of this? Same. There is no change in the answer. But my friends, here it is, you can see here it is x. Here it is not x. Here different than x. And if you are finding anything different than x, then my friends, you need to find the derivative. This x square derivative is 2x, the derivative 3 is 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 2x e power x square plus 3. This is how we are calculating the differentiation. Okay. So same. You can see many questions we have finished here. Like this is the question you can see here. In this question, what we are doing? First, we are differentiating the power. Here you can see 5 and power 5 minus 1. Because the inside function is not x, it is other than x. So then we need to calculate the derivative of this. This is called chain rule. Very easy. It is not difficult. Clear? So now you have so many questions. You need to finish them all. Clear? So some of the questions let us take. Okay, let me take question number 4. I'll explain question number. It is sine x plus 10x power minus 3. So what is the question? Question is y is equal to sine x plus 10x power minus 3. Clear? So what is this? Here first we are going to differentiate the power. If power is there, differentiate the power first. dy by dx, it is what? Minus 3, and this is same sine x plus 10x power minus 3 minus 1. Clear? So this is the differentiation of power only. Now it is not x, it is some different function. So you need to find the derivative of this. It is sine x gamma 10x. Clear? So what is the answer? Minus 3. It is sine x gamma 10x power minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 into. Now you need to find the derivative of this one. What is the derivative of sine x? It is cosine x. What is the derivative of 10x? It is sec square x. Khalas. This is the answer. So you need to focus what type of question we are looking here. Like say question number 5. How we can solve it? It is y is equal to, what is this? Y is equal to ln sec x. So question number, this is 4, this is 5. Y is equal to ln sec x. So what is this? First function is ln here, logarithmic function. Then the second function, it is not x, it is sec x. So how will we do it? Dy by dx, it is ln. Ln means 1 upon. Ln x is 1 upon x. So 1 upon sec x. Now you need to write the derivative of sec x also. So what is this? 1 upon sec x into, what is the derivative of sec x? It is sec x tan x. Sec x cancel. So what is the answer? Answer is 10x. So if you are finding any problem related to function of function, then you need to use this concept. Like I'll explain you some question I will explain you question number 15. Sine cos 7x. Y is equal to sine, cosine, and it is 7x, like this. So here sine is the first function, cosine is the second function, and 7x is the third function. There are three functions here. It is not one function only. There are three. Sine is a function of cosine x, cosine is a function of 7x. Clear? So while you will differentiate, so first we will differentiate the first function. What is the derivative of sine? It is cosine. And cosine inside same, no change. Into now derivative of cosine 7x. This is. So first you are differentiating only first function. Sine, the derivative is cosine. Inside function is same here. Now is equal to, this is same cosine of 7x into derivative of cosine 7x. It is minus sine 7x. This is the derivative of cosine 7x. Now the third function, derivative of 7x. This is. So cosine 7x, then there is one minus here. So put this negative here into sine 7x. And what is the derivative of sine 7 means 7x? It is 7 because the derivative of x is 1. So now simplify this, minus 7 cosine of cosine 7x into sine of 7x. Class, this is the answer. Clear? So this is how you need to calculate the derivative of various functions. And here this is the same question. Find the equation of tangent line. How to calculate? It is y is equal to dy by dx means log x minus a gamma fa. Same. So you need to find dy by dx using this function. So this is directly same composition of function, like say two functions are given. So I will solve only one question. I will solve this question and then we'll finish the video. It is y is equal to minus sine x by 2. What is the question? Y is equal to minus sine x by 2 at origin. Clear? So what is the equation of tangent line? Y is equal to dy by dx x minus a gamma fa. This. So first we need to find the slope. So what is this slope? It is dy by dx. So what we'll do? First we will differentiate sine minus. What is the derivative of sine? Cosine. Now you need to differentiate this x by 2. So minus cosine x by 2. And if you will differentiate, 1 by 2 is out. What is the derivative of 1? X. It is 1. So answer is minus 1 upon 2 cosine x upon 2. Now this is the slope. What we are calling slope. But you need to find the slope. Slope means dy by dx, where at x is equal to origin 0. So minus 1 by 2 cosine of 0 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. What is the value of cosine 0? It is 1. What is the slope? Slope is minus 1 by 2. Now the put all the value here. Minus 1 by 2 x minus 0 gamma. What is the value of a? 0. F0. f0 means this is y is equal to y is same fx. So minus 1 by 2x. And what is the value? What is y? Y is fx. It is minus sine x by 2. Clear? Put x is equal to 0. If you will put x is equal to 0, sine 0 is 0. So what is the equation? Equation is minus 1 by 2x. This is the equation of tangent line that they are asking in this question. Find the equation of tangent line. Clear? So you can calculate it like this. Last question, one more question I will explain. That is y is equal to e power minus x upon x. This is what? The quotient rule that you need to use. So dy by dx, it is x power 2. What is this? Derivative of first function. Second same, minus second same, derivative, oh sorry, first same, derivative of second function. This is. So here you can see, if you are finding what is the derivative of e power x, same e power x. But if I ask you what is the derivative of e power minus x, so my dear friends, the derivative of e power minus x is same, but here it was x, here it is minus x. So you need to write the derivative of minus x also. So e power minus x into minus, what is the derivative of x? 1. So it is minus e power minus x. So please remember all such things. Minus e power minus x into x minus e power minus x, and the derivative of x is 1. You can take e power minus x out, so it will be 1, or sorry, it will be x plus 1 upon x power 2. This is, you can see, this is the same question, this one, 22. So please practice all these questions. This is question number 22. If you have any specific question in composition of function, please share with me in Microsoft Teams. Inshallah, I will try to provide you solution. Okay. Thank you very much.